How to use not interested on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use not interested on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, choose the video you want, which is you are not interested in. Now click on those on the share icon and you're gonna find this list. Scroll over until you find not interested. And here you can dislike this creator, dislike this video, or cancel. Wherever, if you want another method to not interested, click on those 3 points and you're gonna find not interested will show fewer videos like this. Now this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.